There are three things that you should do if you want your microwave mashed potatoes to taste like Grandma's mashed potatoes. The first thing you should do is to slice your potatoes into 1/2 inch cubes. That's very important, and that's because the microwave energy can only penetrate 1/2 inch into any kind of food. And if you make your potato slices 1/2 inch cubes, the microwave energy will pass right through them, and that will dramatically speed up cooking time. We're going to use a very large russet potato, and that should yield enough microwave mashed potatoes for 2 people. Notice how I am slicing the potato, and that's because I intend to use a vegetable chopper to make 1/2 inch cubes to make our microwave mashed potatoes. I believe if you can find a tool to make the job easier, you should definitely use it. Now, obviously, if you don't have a vegetable chopper, you'll have to invest a little more time into cutting them up into 1/2 inch cubes. And by the way, folks, we have this available on our Amazon store. The number 2 thing you want to do is to spread your potatoes out far and wide in a dish that's big enough to spread them out. You can use a bowl with a lid or a bowl with a plate on top of it because it has to be able to burp. But I'm going to use this microwave-safe dish with a lid. Before you put the potatoes in the microwave, you want to cover them up with just enough water that covers the top of the potatoes. You don't want to add too much water because that will just increase the cooking time. Cooking time is going to vary depending on how powerful your microwave is. Mine happens to be a commercial microwave, so my cooking time is only going to be 10 minutes. There is one very important step that you need to take to prevent your potatoes from turning into glue, but I wanted to show you what the finished product looks like first. Check this out. Because we are using very little water in the microwave when we cook the potatoes, it is completely saturated with starch. You definitely want to rinse the potatoes with hot water after you take them out of the microwave so that they don't turn into Elmer's glue. If you think I did a good job on this video, a thumbs up would certainly be appreciated. Thanks for watching.